In the age of tech, anything can happen. Any brand can launch anything. Who thought that Infinix is gonna launch laptop? Yes, Infinix has launched, or I would say Infinix is about to launch the InBook X1 series in India. And today in this video, not only you get to see an exclusive first look of these laptops, I will also tell you all the specifications and all the variants that Infinix is about to launch in India. The Infinix InBook X1 series is the first of their series of laptops in India. These laptops will be 16.3 mm slim and they will weigh around 1.48 kgs. For this price segment, this laptop is going to be the first in segment with aircraft grade aluminum finished metal body. All the laptops in this series will be powered by a 55 watt-hour battery and they would be charged by a 65 watt fast charger that is going to be provided in the box. These Full HD display have 100% sRGB color gamut and they have a 180 degree of viewing angle. All the models in this series is gonna be equipped with NVMe PCI-3 3.0 SSD storage and they are available in 3 variants. The i3 variant has 8GB and 256GB internal storage and i5 has 8GB and 512GB of internal storage. The top end i7 variant has 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. These laptops come with Windows 11 out of the box and all the models in this series will have a privacy switch. Flipping this switch cuts off the power to the mic and camera, thus enabling you hardware level security for camera and mic. The keyboard is gonna be backlit and they do have DTS audio processing system. The InBook X1 will be powered by i5 and i3 processor. The top end variant, the InBook X1 Pro, will have the i7 processor. All the processor are 10th generation processor. The i5 and i3 variant will have Intel UHD graphics while the i7 variant will have the Intel Iris Plus for GPU. The display is a 14-inch Full HD display which offers a maximum brightness of 300 nits. The RAM is LPDDR4. The Infinix InBook X1 has Wi-Fi 5 while the X1 Pro with i7 has Wi-Fi 6 capability. All the laptops weigh about 1.48 kgs and they are very slim, sleek and stylish. Not sure about the pricing, but the starting price will be less than 40,000. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you're subscribed to my channel. I'll catch up with you on the next one. This is Giridhar signing off.